one more time again on the menu with Chef Ricardo. I don't know. You see, Jamaica, I tell you something. One thing with Jamaican, we love our food, and I believe we cook one of the best food ever. Jamaican rice and peas, one more time on the menu again. You know the reason why? Someone requested it and said to me, Chef Ricardo, can you please make some more rice and peas one more time again? So I love it still, you know what I mean? People do requesting things. I love that. So I don't have a problem with that, guys. So please, don't worry yourself. Chef Ricardo gonna deliver rice and peas one more time again. There's a lot of requests coming in, guys. Keep them coming in, keep them coming in. You know, it might take a little time, but I will definitely make it, you know. So as I say, the rice and peas requested one more time again is a Jamaican number one dish wherever always sell off on the menu. Jamaican rice and peas. Every one of us love it. From your great grandmother to your great great grandfather, go right down the streamline. Jamaican rice and peas is another key point to every dishes in the world. Jamaican again, one more time. Rice and peas. Enjoy it today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you for your subscribing and all your comments and all the time where you're spending doing your reviewing, your writing. Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, today I'm gonna show you again and again how to cook the number one Jamaican rice and peas. Rice and peas is one of the most popular dish in the world. Most people use it, and use it even on aeroplane, on cruise ship, in the hotel, in the school, everywhere they use it. Right over here you can see Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, spring onion, white onion and fresh thyme, a pinch of garlic also. Right over here I have some red kidney bean which I did cook 1 month ago. Guys, listen, 1 month ago I cooked this red kidney bean. I take out a portion of it and I put it down to cool and I freeze it. The video is on my channel. I'm gonna put it below. When you're looking for it, you can see it. Subscribe to the channel and you can see what I'm talking about. Right over here, 3/4 of coconut milk. Right here, I'm using the tin coconut. You can use the fresh one if you do like. And be honest with you. Now right over here, I have a pot with some water. And I'm gonna show you what next to do. So the next bit what we're gonna do now is to get things rolling. So look at this, guys. Right here you can see this is just 2 cups of red kidney bean, almost a cup of coconut milk, white onion and spring onion, really fresh, made from everything is from scratch. Right here, guys. Enjoy the recipe. This gonna go. I'm gonna show you how to cook the Jamaican real rice and peas today. Enjoy it. Nice. Look at that steam which is coming out of the pot. First of all, I'm gonna put in my red kidney bean. Roughly I got 3 cups of water inside of it, and I'm gonna put in my red kidney bean. Just like that. Then next I'm gonna simply put in my seasoning. Just like that. Beautiful, guys. Coconut milk. Look at that, beautiful and nice, with the red Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper even on top of it. Little bit of pepper, and also we're gonna put a little pinch of salt, and also some people don't like to put sugar in there, but I like to put a little pinch of sugar. Cheeky. I'm using the brown sugar because it's a little bit more healthier. Nice one. Give it a nice little stir. Just like this. You can see the red Jamaican pepper on top of it. All of my stuff inside of it, guys. Hopefully you will understand the full recipe right here. So what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna cover this and leave it for it to cook for a nice good 15 minutes with a medium size heat. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. Look right now, guys, this is what I'm talking about. So I use my spoon and give it a nice little stir. You can see the Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. That's looking good, isn't it? Looking lovely and nice. Give it a little taste. Just a little pinch more salt. Well, I have 3.5 cups of rice, which I just washed. Some good Jamaican, good old basmati rice. I love to use it to cook with it. It's really easy to cook. But I love Jamaican long grain rice to make rice and peas. So as you can see, it's a nice little stir. When I give it a stir, guys, I need to check to see where your water is. If you don't understand where to check, use a cup and simple go down inside of it and take out some water like this. Then go back inside of it and give it a nice little stir like this. Yeah, so this amount of water is pretty fine for it. Nice and lovely. Simple, give it back a nice little taste. That is beautiful. Come like some red pea soup me a drink. Tastes good. That's gonna come on the menu next. So guys, as you can see, that's looking so lovely and nice. Rice and peas set. Let's cover it back like this and leave it for it to cook for roughly 20 minutes. Enjoy the recipe and a medium size eat. You guys, simple. I must tell you, we need to put a little bit of butter, which I forgot. Just a little bit of hand salted butter inside of it to bring up the flavor. Then I must say, I say, Chef Ricardo go on with no butter. The coconut milk have oil in it still, but you know what I mean? It's nice to use a little bit of butter inside of it to give it a little bit of flavor. Enjoy the rest. Nice. Lovely. Look at that, guys. This is what I'm talking about when you cook rice and peas. It's supposed to be colorful, looking good, and looking really fantastic. So this is it. This is finished. And as you can see, you can share that with some lovely, whatever you like. You can have it to go with. You can have it with curry chicken, roast stew chicken, anything you like. And just enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. Well, welcome back one more time with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time again, giving you your favorite dishes. Today we're going to give you some honey pan fried pork. We're going to finish it straight inside of the oven, guys, and I know you're going to love it. It's just beautiful and really nice. I did it before and I said, you know what, I need to share the idea. So guys, please leave your comments if you like the recipe, and as I say, we're going to finish it off with new potato and veg out the side, and it's a lovely recipe where you can use at home. Remember, get a copy of the cooking book. You know what I mean? The book is going on really well. And remember, we have that book which is going to come out for 2020. So guys, hopefully you look forward for that book. It's going to be a brilliant cookbook. And we're going to do our best. We're not going to be the same, like, you know what I mean? We're going to be totally different. So guys, I know that you are the one who inspired me more and more to go on. And, you know, thank you for your time. Leaving your comments is beautiful. I like that, guys. And watching the video. So thank you, guys. And hopefully we can do better and better in the future. And if you got your idea, please share it with Chef Ricardo, because I'm willing to learn. And you know what I mean, I'm always sharing my idea because I learn every day and I cook every day. So guys, we love you and thank you for your time. Thank you. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, I'm gonna show you all of my season, which I'm gonna just use to start marinate off my pan fried pork right here with some onion and bits and pieces. Right here I have some all-purpose season, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. And right here I have some dry thyme. This is some pork season. This is some coriander with garlic and herbs. This one is paprika. Right over here I have some pork chops, lovely and nice. Right here I have fresh thyme and spring onion and white onion. And this is the bad boy which we use to wash off the pork. It's good to wash with lemon or white vinegar. We have some honey which we're gonna also use on it. We're gonna finish it off straight inside of the oven. Hopefully guys will like the recipe. As you can see, all my pork just fresh and nice. what I did earlier, I make sure I wash it off with some lemon juice or lemon or lime. Whatever you have at home, you can use it, guys. I'm telling you, it will come out perfect as it is. So hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as I said, this is all the seasoning and all the bits and pieces which you're gonna use to marinate our meat today. So let's go into business and marinate it up, guys. Basically, first of all, if I would just simple mix up all of my seasoning right here, and I'm using roughly a tablespoon of both seasoning and a teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme on it. Right, that's as you can see at the moment, I did that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop up some seasoning and put it straight inside of it. Look. So right here, I'm gonna pop a little pinch of vegetable oil on the pork, just like that. As you can see. Next thing, we're gonna cut up some spring onion. Guys, I know you're gonna love that one. Bang with the spring onion. The only thing I normally have, I just don't know why I run out of garlic and I forgot to get some garlic. I normally use my garlic still, but that's fine. Don't need to stress yourself today about the garlic. Half of a white onion, and then we're gonna put some fresh thyme. We already put some dry thyme. We're gonna put a little bit of fresh thyme also on it. Nice one. It's very easy and simple. What you can do, you can marinate this and put it on for 2 hours for it to soak. But we're not gonna do that today. We're just gonna do this right now. Pan fry them off, put some onion in it, and chuck it straight inside of the oven. And I know you guys are gonna love it. So, as you can see, pan fried pork. And right here, this pork is beautiful. And I'm gonna say to you, you can go to any local shop and ask, say, your favorite pork, you know what I mean, you want T-bone, you want a pork chops, you want a, you know what I mean, pork shoulder, whatever you want to have, you know what I mean, you can use it inside your kitchen. But, you know what I mean, I like this part of the pork is just lean and nice. And as you can see, looking so lovely. We're going to pan fry this off now because this don't take, it's only 4 pieces. So you're not going to take time. You can marinate it from the day before, or you can also do it the same day. So now let's go into business and we're going to pan fry it off. Look at this now, guys. Nice and lovely. So right here, guys, as you can see, I got a medium-sized frying pan on the stove. Pop roughly 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil inside of it, just like that. I know it's a little bit hot at the moment, so as the oil getting, it's gonna be hot instantly. So right now, I'm gonna turn on my stove a little bit low on a medium-sized, pretty medium-sized heat. Take my little time and put in the pork. As you can see, that's so lovely and nice. So we're gonna try and get in the 4 pieces. So as you can see, that's the 4 pieces of pork inside of it so far. And we're gonna fry them roughly about 10 minutes on both sides. So they're gonna be 20 minutes on both sides, so they're gonna be pre-cooked. So preheat the oven in the meantime, and we're gonna put them straight in the oven for roughly 15 minutes, so probably about 25 minutes it will take to cook. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished, this side is finished, so we're gonna take them out. Put it like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. The rest of the seasoning, I'm going to start to take them off. Inside of the pot like this. Nice one. Then what we're going to do now is simple. Pop a little bit of water. Not too much. Just a little bit. Lovely. Turn off the stove. Nice one. Then get your pork chops. Sprinkle this on it. Alright? Lovely. After you sprinkle that on it, the beauty with it is to get the honey. And put some honey on it like this. And then put it in your oven and a medium size heat. Really lovely and nice. And guys, I know you will love this one. You know the reason why? It's just something totally different. So as you can see, the honey on top of it. So what's gonna happen now? The honey gonna cook inside of it with the oil which already inside of the pork like this. So you're gonna soak all the way down inside of it like this, guys, and you're gonna give it that flavor and that taste what you're looking for. Nice one. So we're gonna put this in the oven for roughly about 15 minutes on a medium size heat in the middle of your oven. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So guys, I just take the pork from the oven and roughly, as I said, 15 minutes inside of the oven. This is done and dusted, looking lovely and nice, as you can see. Exactly what I'm talking about. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna shear it out and make you see how it look on the plate. Really nice and beautiful. As I say, we finished off in the oven with some honey glaze at the top of it, so it's just really fantastic. So enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So I just finished shear it out, guys. As you can see, looking so lovely and fantastic. As you can see how the pork looking come from the oven. Shear it out, looking lovely and nice. And you know, you can go with some new potato and some veg at the side, as you can see. Really good, guys. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you guys. Every day we give you a nice lovely recipe. So stay tuned as we cook and give you your favorite dishes. Bye bye.